Well, the time has come for Jeno to find out exactly how much power his 1.4 CIB has got. Yep, he's excited. I'm not, but it's going on. So if it survives, I'll give him a pat on the back and a printout. Here he comes. Look at his little face. Oh, Jeno. What are your predictions, Jeno?
Well, it's 85 stock.
Yeah, but it's got a hole in the front bumper, so there's a couple more break.
It's obviously old, but then it has got a few little bits done to it.
Yeah.
I would hope to get 90.
Is it older than you, this car?
No.
Okay.
No, it's 2010. I would hope to get 90.
You're hoping, so you're hoping for 90 brake horsepower?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what my guess will be. But obviously it's got a lot of miles now, so.
It's got decent fuel in it today, hasn't it?
Yes, it has actually.
So it's got
better fuel in it.
What's
got
it?
V-power in it.
V-power in the 1.4 Seat Ibiza of Destiny. Well, I think I can say for the entire YouTube community that we're excited for this.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Oh yeah.
Also scared.
Hey, yeah, how are you getting home today? What happened to your wing, mate?
Someone hit me at college. Yeah, it's not great.
Have you thought about cleaning the car at all?
No.
Okay.
Got no interest.
Right, let's get Daddy Rich inside it for you then.
Massive engine lot.
Yeah, you could fit, I said earlier you could fit a couple of these 1.4s in this engine bay.
Well, it's going to get a case swap in it. If it wasn't getting sold, then we'd do that. But
Yeah.
it is getting sold, so.
Well, it's in there, mate. Got some coolant, yeah. Okay. You got your eBay air filter.
Yeah. It's Amazon.
Amazon.
Yeah.
Fantastic, mate. Well, so you predicted 90 brake horsepower.
Yeah.
So without further ado, let's do this. Well, there you go, the results are in, and you've got 98.9 brake horsepower, and you've got 106 foot-pound of torque. How'd you feel?
That's way better than I thought it would.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Bless his little heart. Bless his little heart. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. If you guessed right, just shy of 100 brake horsepower. Next time we see Jeno, it'll be in something good, I promise.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.